In this video we will see how to use Google Forms. To get started, open your Google Drive. Then, create a blank spreadsheet. Name this spreadsheet Data. Likewise, create a blank form.
The form editor opens. Enter the title of the form. Then add a description. We want to record the email addresses of the people who fill out the form. When someone responds to your survey, they will need to enter their email address before submitting the form.
To do this, click on Settings. Then, check the box Collect Email Address. Save.
Here is the first question that has been added. This is a mandatory question.
Before adding more questions to the form, let's see how to link Google Forms to Google Sheets. This saves the responses in Google Sheets. Click Responses. Then on Create Spreadsheet. The window that has just opened gives you the choice between creating a new spreadsheet or selecting an existing spreadsheet in Google Drive. Choose Select Existing Spreadsheet. Then click on Select to access the spreadsheet you created. Here are the names of the fields of your form appear in the spreadsheet. You also notice the presence of a column named Timestamp. Every time someone submits a form, the date and time are automatically generated in this column.
You can customize your form or adapt it to your audience. You can add a theme or change the font. Click Customize Theme. Then, choose Image.
Here you have a list of themes that you can use. Click on Upload if you want to customize the header image. We choose this theme. You can also change the theme color, background color, and font. Now we will add a question. The title of the question is Name. This is the question you wish to ask. Short answer is the type of question. You can choose your question type from the different question types in the drop-down list.
Select the Required button to make a question required.
You can also create rules that people have to follow when they fill out your form. To configure rules for this question, click More. Then click Response Validation. In this example, we're going to force people to enter a string with a minimum number of characters equal to 3. Here, type an error message that people will see when they enter an answer that breaks your rules. You can preview the form to see what the changes look like. For this, click Preview. When we click on Submit, we are informed that the email field must not be empty. We try to fill in a name of length less than 3 and each time an error message is displayed.
Now let's add more questions to the form. Add a question titled Phone of type Short Answer. This is a mandatory question. For this question, we're going to require that the answers match a particular set of criteria called regular expressions. Regular expressions look for patterns in responses. We want the answers to this question to match any 10-digit phone number in this pattern. Click on Preview to test this regular expression. That phone number is accepted.
Now let's add 2 multiple-choice questions to this form. Click Option 1 and enter the first answer option. Click Add Option and add as many options as you want. To delete an option, click Remove. This is a mandatory question. The last question we are going to create is a paragraph type. Let's test this form. Click the Responses tab to view user responses to your form. Click the Send button to view different ways to distribute your form.
You can send your form via email to recipients or send the form email to yourself, then use Outlook to forward the form link to others. Click the link icon to display the form's URL link. Select the Shorten URL option to display a short link option. Click the Copy link in the bottom right to copy the link. Click any one of the social media icons to share the form link using a social media platform.